That was a rev match. 50 seconds, no jerk. Woo! Butter. Go ahead and drop a like, a sub, if you guys like that little montage. Even hit that bell. What do you think about that? That's pretty cool, huh? This is a little paradoxical because I haven't seen it yet. I actually took all that footage before and took that footage from now. Made that little montage to put in front of the video. So you, as well as we're going to take a look at this shift knob with the extension for the first time right now. Let's go ahead and set this camera up. Okay. Ignore this junk in the background. It took forever to come. I think it took about 2.5, almost 3 months from when I ordered. And then when I was going through it, I started opening the package. And then I looked at how nice and clean it was. And what I thought was cool is the little note. When he has the round stock, the raw stock, if he follows Instagram, right there, you have a table full of just bare stock, raw stock. And he has these little notes pinned up on it. Look how cool that is. So they had the little note, what we needed, the design, like say we went with the Nismo design. And he pinned that to us. Along with the receipt, which is the certificate of authentication, I will be keeping this little note. So I'm taking care of with it. Put that there. So, little paper towel. Just rolling it out. Oh man, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the top. Look at that. 100% real titanium. No titanium alloy. 100% real titanium. Looks like a lady's bob, huh? You know Bob? You don't know what ladies call Bob? The battery operated boyfriends? But no, it ain't no Bob. It's a badass Nismo clone. I would say it's only a Nismo clone because I use the Nismo dimensions. I didn't want the Nismo shift knob because it's just kind of boring. It's a cool design. It feels good in the hand. I'm not holding the left hand. You got shift with the right hand. But yeah, it feels great. Really nice weight. Titanium's supposed to be lighter, but it's still got some weight to it. Here's the extension by itself. This is pretty badass. And then a little collar, a little polymer collar for the top of the boot. Wow. Drop in the comments, man. I haven't seen it yet on the car. You guys have from the thing, so we have our two parts. Because I didn't know if I wanted an extension. I felt like I wanted an extension. I've been researching extensions online. I found a couple places, but the price was just too sketchy. I just didn't want to be, you know how I drive, how I shift and stuff. I just didn't want to be going on the road and banging through gears, and then all of a sudden the top here snaps off in my hand and I'm holding my shift knob. I have a nice weighted TWM shift knob. This is something else. This here is something else. Look at that. The extension, the coloring, everything. It's just beautiful. That's pretty nice. That's gonna be, that feels good in the hand. Really good in the hand. Let me go get my scale. Let's go ahead and zero it out. This is 13.8 ounces. 13.8 ounces of nicely milled titanium. So let's go put this aside. I need to go jump in the car, record that whole montage-y part, then come back and let's swap this out. So it's been a while since this is on. Of course I figured I could get it without using something, but I know I tightened this real stinking tight. Yeah, my hand's just slipping. Let me see if a pair of rubber gloves help me get a little more grip. Oh, that worked like a charm. Put this garter belt over here. Oof. I guess I had a lot of high inserts on this one. So to have the shift knob that tall. This is considerably heavier. I think this is a powder coated stainless steel. It's considerably heavier. To get a tool to wrench that off. Oh, that's tight. Holy moly. Oh, I see what it is. Man, it's been so long. There's a bottom collar, and then there's another collar on top. Just two separate collars we gotta move out of the way. So I gotta figure out that socket size. But we have the adjustable wrench for this one here. Back. Because what it was, and I remember now, these two colors adjusted the threads, so when this is tightened all the way, you have the proper orientation of the shift pattern. What is this? Is it 15? Yeah. Yep, that's what it was. So that holds it nicely in place. So out with the old. I got the cameras mounted here, I'm not moving them. Let me go weigh this sucker. So huge weight difference. This is a pound. This was what, 13 ounces? I can't remember. I have to go back and look. Holy moly. This is considerably lighter. So let's go ahead and put the collar on there. Actually, I have to raise this up because I believe, yes I did, put this here woogie around the shift boot and all this to kind of raise the shift boot up. So now we could put that down. Yeah. Put the color down. Yeah. And be very careful and thread this on. You don't want to cross thread it. Try and fluff your boot. I like the height. I really like the height. The height feels nice. It really do. And I think with the extra angle height and the angle, I believe it's given me that extra fulcrum with the weighted shift knob and the short shifter I have. Without the weighted shift knob and the short shifter, it was sometimes tricky to get into gear. But I believe by raising this higher, raising the fulcrum, the difference in the weight is offsetting. So I could still, oh, I missed third there. So somehow to get accustomed to, okay, still bang. Still bang. You guys know that, right? You guys that drive manual, you know how to bang the gears, right? You don't manhandle your knob. Okay? You don't. This knob just feels good in the hand, man. It feels really good. You for the lack of proper explanation, you kind of karate or you parry the shift knob. First, open hand, right? You move it that way. Second, open hand again. You pull it down to you. Third, you push forward. Fourth, you pull back. Fifth, you push away. Sixth, you do that, right? So you don't fight. You don't fight. Organic. Right? See? Open palm. So you're not fighting the knob. You're just going through your gears. I like that height. I like the height. I might need to take this off at one point and put a little blue tread locker. Oh, I don't know though. If I do that, taking it off might be... There's no shift pattern, so I think I could leave it as is and not worry about it getting... But oh my gosh, I like it. Let me clean up these tools, put this knob away, and let's go test drive it. You guys ready? Oh, that feel that. I'm really liking the height. The clickiness into it. With the other shifter ball, I don't know if the weight stopped it, but with this, there's a definite clickiness. You can probably hear it in the recording too. I'll slow down a little bit, then we'll take off. Take off from 7 seconds like we did last time. Seal handles, a heel toe. Oh, beautifully. That was 4 to second heel toe. Rev match beautifully. I will say the contrast, oh, not the contrast, but the difference, how thick this extension is to here, it kind of takes away from the knob. I don't know if it, maybe not. I still get onto the knob good. 4-year-old preschool knob. You definitely getting a notchy clickiness. It's kind of cool. I like it. I like it. I'm getting my heel toes well. That's not an issue. I contemplated you making it out of stainless, so it'll be heavier, but I really wanted to look with the titanium. I need let's go a little bit. Slam some gears. Slapping gears nicely. I like it, guys. I like it. I like the height. I like the height. I thought the low shift knob's nice, so you know your elbows down here, whatever. I like the height. I also like that it's so much higher. It's less difference. Sorry, distance. Less distance. My hand has to travel from the steering wheel. So before I had to come all the way down here. It's not much, but it feels much better. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm getting at? So that's it. Got me a stripper pole for the G. I think that's what I'm gonna call it. It is a definite notch, man. Kind of like a gated sound. I like it. I like it. The weight's not there though. The throwing weight, yeah, the big old heavy throw. Like I say, the other one is a whole pound heavier. But it works. It works. The height on it works. It goes in the gear well. I think I like it. We'll see. I'll drive around with it for a while like this. One video you might see if it just comes back. The old shift knob comes back, but no, this is nice. Shit, no, I don't think I'll call it triple. I'll just call it Bob. Bob the knob. Oh man, Bob the knob on a pole. Jeez, I know, I'm crazy. If you guys love the knob, you guys think it's awesome, don't forget check out WC Lakeworks on Instagram. Link in the description. He does titanium, stainless, copper. The copper ones are pretty cool. When he's done with it and polished up, it looks really nice. He has a range of materials he uses. Hit that follow, that Instagram. Hit that like. Get yourself a badass shift knob, guys. Do yourself a favor. Treat yourself. Treat your car. Get yourself a sick ass knob. Get you a knob. If you like the content, smash a like for Bob. Hit a subscribe for his poll. And if you like titanium, hit that bell. Until next time.